Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to Peter's Finance Studio. Trust you're doing great. Alright, so I want to show you how to get USA and UK views. You see, getting USA and UK views is very important because if you get views from those areas, those regions, your income from YouTube is going to be more than the views you get from other third world countries. Alright, so it is very important you strategize on how to get your views from United States, UK, and other advanced countries. Alright, so without wasting time, I'm going to show you some of the few ways you can actually get views from these countries. And one of the ways of getting views from these countries is through finding out what is trending in the United States and in the UK. Alright, if you know what is trending in those areas and you create a video around what is trending in those areas based on your niche, you discover that you are going to be getting views from those areas and you are going to make more money. Alright, now how do you know what is trending in those areas? Alright, so you go to your Google Chrome and type in Google Trend, or you upload or you download the app from Google Play Store. Alright, so if you already have the app, if you don't have the app, you can go to Google and Google it, but if you already have the app, go to your app and open the app, and then you go to you click on these three dots here, that's from the app, and then go to trending now. And when I go to trending now, you have to select the location of what you want to trend, what you are looking at. You have to go to the location to see what is trending now in those locations. Alright, so you go to location, you click on location, and then you scroll down to the United States or to the United Kingdom. You select United Kingdom. You also select the time period for 24 hours or for a week and so on and so forth, but I think it should be for 24 hours or 48 hours. And then you're going to see what is trending in the United States or in the United Kingdom within 24 hours or 48 hours. Then you select the one that is trending. You select the views that are, say, 100k to 500k to 1 million k, and create a video around that. So if you create a video around that, based on your niche anyway, you discover that those that are living in the United Kingdom and then the United States, the YouTube algorithm is going to deliver your videos to those areas, and you're going to be getting views from the United Kingdom and from the United States, and then it's going to increase your income. Alright, so that's the first way of getting views from United Kingdom and United States. Now the second ways of getting views from United States or United Kingdom is, know what time that they are awake over there. Different regions have different time zones. Alright, so now I'm in Nigeria, and if you're in Nigeria or Africa and you want to know what time they are over there, you have to find out what time they are awake. Now if you know the time that they are awake over there, and then you create your content and upload it at that time, the YouTube algorithm might also spread your videos to those areas. Alright, now you have to be strategic about it. Yes, you have to really be strategic about it, because if you upload videos at the time when they are sleeping over there in the United Kingdom and the United States, of course they are sleeping and they will not be watching your videos. So you have to find out the hours difference that we have between Nigeria and the United States. Okay, find out the time that they are awake and upload your videos at those times. And another way also of checking is checking your analytics. Alright, you go to your YouTube studio and then go to your analytics. You click on your analytics, it takes you to your audience. Check your audience, and it's going to show you areas that are viewing your channels. Like what I have here, you can see that those that are viewing my videos are from United States, from Philippines, and United Kingdom. So you see that I am at an advantage because this is a new channel I just created, and with the few videos that I have, it is those that are from the United States, Philippines, and United Kingdom that are viewing my videos. So since I've seen that those viewing my videos are from United States, Philippines, and United Kingdom, but more importantly, my target is United States and United Kingdom, I'm going to be giving them what they want. I can see that, okay, they like my content around my niche. I'm going to be creating videos, alright, for them, not for myself, but for them, and they're going to be watching your videos. So you can see that YouTube Studio Analytics, okay, also gives us information on the countries that are viewing our channels, and how we can also create channels that will suit them, and that will, as in, to create videos that they would like. Okay, so another way of getting UK views and United States views is when you are uploading your video. When you're uploading your video, there are several things, field you need to fill, all right, so that YouTube algorithm will know a lot about your video. And when you get to location, do not put any location. Normally when we go to location, what we do, we put our country's name. For example, I'm in Nigeria. I'll enter Nigeria. All right, and what the YouTube algorithm is going to do is going to show my video around my locality, around people living in Nigeria, Africa, and all that. But if you leave the location empty, right, without putting anything, it means you are not limiting your videos to Nigeria alone. You are not limiting your videos to Africa. Even those in United States and United Kingdom will view your videos. But there are some people that advocate that you should put United States as location. But I'm not a fan of that, because when you put United States as your location, when you are not living in the United States, you are giving false information, and the YouTube system might get to know about it, and they will frown at your video. So I think you should not put United States as a location, right? Because if you put United States as a location, you're giving wrong information, because you are not in the United States or United Kingdom. So just leave the location as empty. All right. So our YouTube algorithm can spread, or will spread your videos to other countries. Okay, now if you create United Kingdom, if you do all that I have said previously, but your videos are not interesting, they're not captivating, they do not have the eyes of those living in the United States or United Kingdom, you are not going to get views. All right, and that is why you need to create interesting videos, create videos that you think your viewers would like to watch, and of course they're going to watch it if your videos are interesting. Also, you need to optimize your title for search, optimize your thumbnail, and every other thing that you need to do. All right. Now, I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please kindly subscribe to this channel, so that subsequently, as I upload more videos like this to help you grow your channel and on how to make money online, you'll be one of the first to get notified. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.